Kerala for literally such a long time has been like a dream destination of mine. I've wanted to explore every part of it, from the tea plantations to the backwaters. If a place like draws you in any way, shape or form, please listen to that and go for it, because you don't know what's going to wait for you. So this is the chocolate fresh from the homestay. This is the dark chocolate. Nutmeg in what's the place called? Anthrapilli.
Thikari.
Oh.
It's Thikari. You're not Atrapalli.
Oh, I've been lying to myself. I don't even know where I am.
It's not Atrapalli, it's Thikari.
Wow. That's incredible. That's amazing.
It's like a brand itself.
That dark chocolate is probably one of the best dark chocolates I've ever had.
This is our common.
Oh, bless you. So what is the red stuff in it?
This is a crispy rice.
Yeah, it's a crispy rice.
Crunch.
Oh, yum.
So we fry the rice. Yeah.
Wow. And this is what you got. Guys, this is amazing. We don't get exotic foods back home, guys. And I don't eat the green, do I? I just eat the pink. It's okay. I don't think I'd have it. Oh, okay. Thank you.
Cocoa.
Oh God. Oh wow. Can you? You can eat that?
Yeah.
Can you?
Only flesh.
Only flesh. Okay. Okay. So this bit here.
Yeah.
Don't eat the pip.
No.
But I can put it in and then spit the pip out. Oh God, it's very slimy. Bye guys. Oh, they were lovely. Oh, there's the nutmeg in. So cute. Love them. Love them. Guys, this song's for you. E for England.
Oh my God.
Whole Alleppey, the town canal system is designed by Britishers.
Right. No.
Yeah,
I never knew that. I actually never knew that.
the whole canal system.
The British canal system is impressive. Like the British canal system and the dikes of Netherlands, they really help with especially with like storm water, the flood waters. And the purpose of these canals were mostly for trading, but then in modern times, because we have so much of congestion, so the storm waters can be, you know, diverted through these canal systems, which is brilliant. That's why I said Margie, British Margie.
It's the only time. What is it like for them when it floods?
Shifted to the rescue shelter.
So imagine if they
They'll be there for 7 to 15 days, 10 to 15 days they'll be there, and the water level comes down, they'll come back to the home.
Imagine if there were no canals. You are saying that the water level would have risen like much higher, is it?
Yeah.
Without the canals? Like
Without the canals, it will be too much be flooded here.
yes.
Only
so-
because of this canals, it's not affecting more.
Yeah, because the entire plains will be like flooded.
Yeah,
right?
yeah, yeah.
And that's why they can have houses so close.
Yeah.
Because they're really close. They're literally like, you can't see really on the camera, but there's this water and then there's literally water just behind it too. Let's go to the lunch. Let's get some rice. Wow! This is the first time in my life in India that I've seen boiled vegetables on a menu, which is crazy to me. Yay to boiled vegetables. Wow, this is all I ever wanted. This is literally what I've been craving for the longest time. Boiled veg. This is so comforting. Is Chandni Lakeview Alleppey. Oh, exciting. I keep calling them Shikiras. It's not going good. It's their Shikaras. Bye, Thomas.
Bye.
Thank you. Woo! pretty certain these are the Shikaras. Honestly, I keep calling them Shikiras. This is not going good. Oh!
This is only going to make you feel lonely.
Lonely. I have nobody. Look, this boat is all about love.
One boat, she's the main.
This is our transportation for the next 3 hours. Hello.
Hi, ma'am.
Woo! Shikara, Shikara. Wow! Fun, fun in the sun. You've got a whole load of decking. Adorable, bloody adorable. That is so cute. But the backwaters are really like filled with houseboats everywhere. Oh look, there's a couple fishing. Oh, if you get motion sickness, this is not for you. Sometimes it's gonna go like this, and you know what? I love it. It makes me laugh. Well, to be fair, the last time I was here, I went on a speedboat, and that was wild. Like, so I can't really complain about a couple of waves moving the boat a little bit like this. This is India's longest lake we're about to go on. This is Vambanad, directly in front of us, which is pretty cool. Look at that. Oh my god, and you've got people swimming over there. Look. Wow. And you've got the little boats. They're fishing over there. It's been so nice. I just love Kerala with my whole heart. Like, Kerala really does have my heart, and this is why, because the nature and the beauty and the seas. But it gets very busy. It gets very, very busy. We have, like, currently right in front of me, I've got like, what, 7 houseboats in front of me? Bloody hell, mental. This is Arakel Village, or Arakel Village. Look how cute! Oh, bloody hell!
Sorry.
I had a heart attack. Where is the horn? Right by my face, I nearly died. Okay, so these are the little dinghies that we were on about earlier. These are the boats which, if you live in Alleppey, Thomas was saying that people don't normally have cars, they will have dinghies. So if floods come, they just take the dinghies and off they go. Hello. Hi. Beautiful, this is beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Oh my god, I bloody love Kerala with my whole heart. Oh, look. Just chilling under a coconut tree. Let's hope the coconuts don't fall on one's head. And I just want to have a look in these fields because I'm obsessed, okay? I'm obsessed. Wow. Oh my god. No, because this is so special. Like, I'm going to be so honest, I feel quite emotional because it's when the sun sets I get emotional when the sun sets, but this is so beautiful. Kerala for literally such a long time has been like a dream destination of mine. I've wanted to explore every part of it, from the tea plantations to the backwaters, and the fact that this year I've not only managed to come to India, which has been a dream destination for the longest time, but I've managed to explore Kerala in all of its beauty, and now I'm just stop it. Oh my god, this is so special. If a place like draws you in any way, shape or form, please listen to that and go for it, because you don't know what's going to wait for you. India has literally been one of the most incredible places. I've met so many truly incredible people which I'll never forget, memories to last a lifetime, experiences which I can't even put into words without being like, wow. And here I am just in some fields. Wow. Very red. We're heading to the lake now because we are about to catch sunset, so it's going to be really, really cute. Yeah, this has been so peaceful, and it's nice having it like by yourself because you can just be at one with whatever you're doing, whether it's admiring the villages, speaking to the locals, being on the water, speaking to the people you're on the boat with. It's really, really special to just take your time. There's a massive traffic jam. Look at all these boats. Look at that. Damn, son! I love looking at the different boats though and seeing the different types they have. You've got one like this, you've got smaller ones, Oh, you also have a massive one. It's called Serene Cruise. There's so many people on it and it looks really bougie. There's so many different activities you can actually do over here, and one of them, obviously, you can get a houseboat, you can go on a Shikara, or you can also like hire or rent a kayak and do some kayaking, which is what everyone's doing down there. Our time has ended on the boat, really, really sad, but it's pitch black outside now. That's a bit dramatic. It's dark outside. Look at that. Goodbye. You have been missed. You will be missed.